In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox problem with reaching our servers. Now the way that you can do this is by opening Google, click up here and go to your settings. Now once you're in your settings, you want to head over to privacy and security. Go to security right here. And from in here, make sure that you have standard protection on. So allow this and then try and reload your Roblox. Now if this still doesn't work, what we can do is come down here, search for firewall, open up the Windows Defender firewall, and from in here you want to allow an app, press change settings, and then you want to add Roblox. So let's look if we have Roblox in here. We don't, so allow another app, browse, then you want to find your Roblox. It's usually on your C or D drive. Open up Roblox, from in here go to versions, version, and then you want to play the Roblox player. Right here, the launcher. Press open and add. From in here you should have Roblox. You want to enable both, make sure private and public is on, and then OK. Now try and launch and see if this works. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can try is come down here on your internet, right click on it, open network and internet settings. From in here change adapter options, and from in here find your internet. Right click on it and disable, and then right click and enable. Now after you disable and enable this, it's gonna reset your internet on your PC real quick, and then this might also fix the issue. Now if none of these work, the last thing we can try is come to apps and features, and from in here we want to try and uninstall Roblox and reinstall it. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.